Today we're making a fresh and flavorful chicken salad with grapes that's perfect for spring and just in time for Mother's Day. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Jehan. Now let's dive into this recipe. What I love about this chicken salad is that there's a perfect balance of textures and flavors. You have shredded chicken that's mixed with crunchy celery and sweet grapes and is tossed in a creamy, tangy dressing made with mayo, lemon juice, and fresh garlic. It's creamy, crunchy, with a hint of sweetness and savory. It's everything you want in a refreshing spring salad. I start by finely dicing scallion, celery, and parsley. You want to make sure that everything is finely diced so it distributes evenly in the chicken salad. Also, you do not want a big chunk of celery. Just trust me, it's better for you to have really small bits of celery in the salad. I'm also going to add fresh parsley because you need a hint of herby freshness in the salad, and that is what the parsley is going to do. I'm going to remove the leaves from the stem and finely dice the parsley. Other fresh herbs such as dill or tarragon would work really well in this recipe. I don't know about you, but I like a hint of sweetness in my chicken salad, and for that I'm using grapes. You can also use finely diced apples. You can add golden raisins, cranberries, or even candied walnuts for not only sweetness but an extra crunch. I like to cut the grapes into quarters because this helps them distribute evenly throughout the salad so every bite gets that hint of sweetness. And this next ingredient is not typical in chicken salad, but I love the hint of fresh garlic. And also, can I give a little bit of attention to that amazing garlic press? It is the absolute best. This ensures that the garlic is finely diced, and that is exactly what you want. And now it's time to make the dressing. Mix together mayo with crushed garlic. To that, I'm going to add fresh lime juice, which helps cut the richness of the dish. And then I'm going to season it with just simply salt and black pepper. Give it all a good mix. And while this seems like a simple dressing, all of the components play a key role in making this one delicious chicken salad. I'm using shredded rotisserie chicken, but you can also use leftover chicken or you can poach chicken breast to use in this recipe. And if you are interested in making this recipe, I will have it linked below in the description box, and it's on my website jehancancook.com. And to the chicken, I have added the dressing, the celery, scallion, the finely diced grapes, and parsley. Now give it all a good mix so that everything is well combined. Now once it's well mixed together, it's important to chill it. Let it sit for at least 2 hours so that the flavors can really come together. You can enjoy this chicken salad on its own, as a sandwich, or even in a salad. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.